everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I love really simple hairstyles that are easy to do, don't require too many things, and look nice and polished, and things that you can wear to work or to school or just out running errands or at brunch with friends. And so today I'm doing another really simple updo. This one's a little bit more sleek than some of the other styles I've done on my channel before, and it's kind of nice if you're like almost needing to wash your hair, so you have like some of those natural oils in there that are making your hair look a little bit flatter at the top. You can kind of work with that, and this takes like 5 to 10 minutes depending on how quick you work. Super simple. You only need bobby pins, a hair elastic, and a clear hair elastic, and then if you have some clear brow gel or hairspray, you can use that as well just to smooth down your hair. I would also recommend having your hair styled straight before doing this. It'll just make it a lot simpler. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just brush through my hair, make sure that there's no tangles, and make sure that it's as smooth as possible. Now I'm going to gather the hair back towards the nape of my neck, and you want to do it slightly above the nape so that you have room for the bun to fold under. And you're going to do essentially a ponytail, but on your last loop through, you won't pull your hair all the way through the elastic, so you'll get this little bun like this. And you're going to grab 2 of your bobby pins, and I try to pin this bun down on the left and the right side. So do that as best as you can. This is to just make it a little bit more secure. Take that clear elastic and make a little ponytail on those ends that were sticking out, and you want this elastic to be as far down to the bottom as you can without layers of your hair coming out. And then you're going to use that to wrap the hair over that little bun we've created. So you're covering the hair with that baby ponytail, and you're just going to tuck it under and then bobby pin it into place. Now that it's secured in place, you're going to play around and kind of style it. So I like to spread out that little ponytail as much as possible to cover that bun underneath, slick back any pieces I can, and I also like to pull out a little bit around my head just to add a tiny bit of volume, even though this is a sleek look. And be careful when you do this so that you don't disrupt the bun. I also like using some clear brow gel. I have a lot of flyaways, and I find this just helps tame them a little bit without being as sticky as hairspray. And that's the final look. I hope that this tutorial was simple and clear for you to follow, and I hope that it works well for you. Please let me know if you try this style in the comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.